Hello everyone, today I want to talk about Fujifilm's F-Log, what it is, when to use it, and some tips. F-Log is an option available on Fujifilm cameras. It is a flat profile that helps you get more dynamic range in your footage. It is the flattest profile you have on Fujifilm cameras. The F stands for Fuji and the log stands for logarithmic curve. So let's keep it short. F-Log applies an exposure curve to your footage. That brings shadows closer to the midtones, creating a flatter image to ensure that you retain more details in your footage. This is applied to your footage before the file is compressed and saved, so the F-Log is not a raw file. It's something between normal footage, Rec. 709, and RAW. The flat image needs to be color corrected in post, but this would be one of the reasons you record your footage in F-Log. Another reason to record in F-Log are scenes with a lot of contrast where it is impossible to preserve both highlights and shadows when recording in Rec. 709. Let me show you what settings you need to record in F-Log. It is quite simple, but first let me give you a tip. You want to record in H.265 10-bit and at 200 or 400 megabytes per second to get the most out of F-Log. 10-bit files provide more color depth and can be pushed more when color grading than 8-bit files. In the menu, go to F-Log HLG recordings and there select the second option. The next option you want to keep on, and I find very important, are zebras. I usually keep my zebras at 90%. Another tip, you want to overexpose your shots by 1 stop or 1.5 stops, so that when you color grade your footage you don't crush the shadows. You need to experiment with this depending on the scene. Another good tool to keep on is the histogram. You need to know that when you shoot in F-Log, your base ISO is 640 and you cannot go lower, so if you want to achieve the 180-degree rule, you will need to use an ND filter. To color grade this flat footage, you can use a LUT, also called a lookup table. Fujifilm provides lookup tables for their cameras and you can go on their website and download them for your camera. Should you use F-Log all the time? Well, no, especially in low light. I would use F-Log only if it is really necessary. You can use Eterna profile and lower the highlights and shadows in the tone curve. This will be easier to color grade than F-Log. My final tip, you can turn on Film Assist on your camera. What this does, it applies a film profile over your F-Log that you can see on your display, but you are still recording in F-Log. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. This helps me grow my channel and make more videos for you to watch. See you next time.